Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of an LeetCode, which is LeetCode 101 symmetric tree. Okay, in this question you just have to return the true or a false. If the tree is symmetric, then you just have to return the true, or if it is not, then you just have to return the false. So you can see in a first example that this tree is symmetric because if you put the mirror here, then you can see the same image that is forming. Okay, so you just have to return the true, and if you put the mirror here, then it will not form the same image because the 2 is here, the 3 should be there, then it will be a symmetric image. Okay, so let's do this. I will do this through creating a one more function. So let's make a mirror function which pass the root 2 times. Okay, root, and just creating bool mirror function in which I just pass the tree node star root 1 comma tree node star root 2. Okay, then you just have to check if root 1 is equals to null, or and root 2 is equals to null, then you just have to return true. Okay, and again you just have to put the condition if root 1 is equals to null, or root 2 is equals to null, then you just have to return false. Okay, and after that you just have to return the condition if root 1 का val is equals to root 2 का val, then you just have to mirror root 1 का left comma root right. Okay, and again you just have to check mirror root right comma root left. Okay, let's run this code whether it is running properly or not. So here is an error in this root. Acha, okay, you just have to write the root 2. Okay, root 2, here is root 1 and again root 2. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching this code.